Hello viewers, we're going to draw a very nice scenery today. So let's start from the top part. First, we're going to draw a sun in the sky. So for this, we're drawing a circle. It's a freehand drawing, so that's why not everything's going to be perfect, but we're going to try our best. Now let's draw a house. So this is the inclined roof for the front part, and this is another one. This is a vertical line. All right, let's draw a straight line here. Now I'm going to put a door here, and the windows you can see on the side. So for the grills, let's put two lines here, and the two lines for the grills. On top of the house, let's draw a tree. So this is the trunk of the tree, main body. Another part, this is going to be the another tree, and these are the branches. All right, now we're going to draw a horizontal line. This is the end line for the sea. Now we're going to draw the ground. Looks like this. Okay, this is another way of putting grass. Let's put few grass at the bottom of the house with these few straight lines. And yeah, it looks nice. Let's draw a boat by the side of the house. This is the line of water. These few strokes defined the water. All right. Okay. So we're going to put a darker color for the boat here. All right. So There's a few reflections of the boat you can see from the drawing. These are the few textures for the roof. All these horizontal lines defines the tiles. Also same thing goes for the back side. All right, few straight lines like this for the front part of the house, and few on this side too. Okay, so the drawing is almost done. Now we're going to pour the color. Let's put a blue color for the ocean here. You can see the blue color for the ocean. All right, we can make darker strokes for the water outlines. As you can see, these are the patterns of the waves for the drawing. You can see. Now we are going to put the green color for the landscapes. So let's put again the crayon color. So we are using the green color in this case. All right, as you know, for the cloudy sky you can put the dark sky because of the clouds. But you know, the sun is little brighter, although this is cloudy, but the sun is brighter. All right, so we're going to put the dark green for the trees, as you can see here, and the light green for the branches. All right, now we're going to put the darker shade for the roof tiles. It's the dark red color. So let's put the color in action. As you can see that the roof is almost done. Now let's put the color for the side elevation of the house. It's like a dark yellow. All right, so you can see the dark yellow color. dark green for the grass and the bush here. Also make the border outlines a little deeper. Okay. The border lines with the oceans, this is going to be clearly defined. All right. Now all we need to do is to put the colors for the doors and windows. Let's put the purple color in this case. Looks nice. So the house is very colorful. This drawing is very easy. It's not so tough. If you can do practice at home, you can do more nice drawings. And every time you do the practice, the drawing is going to be better and better. So the thing is that the more you do practice, the better you're going to draw. All right. So this is a drawing. I hope you like the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.